Double wall insulated. Tumbler keeps beverages at ideal temperature for hours. BPA-free, includes our splash-proof flip lid and 2 reusable, plastic straws. Travel-friendly. Designed to fit most cup holders. Dishwasher Safe. Limited lifetime warranty. The simple modern slim cruiser is double-walled and vacuum insulated to keep your drink hot or cold for hours. Made from 18/10 stainless steel, these tumblers are rust-resistant and highly durable. Each cup comes with a clear flip lid and 2 reusable plastic straws. Top reviews from the United States. Great insulated cup. Great large sturdy cup I got for my Teo teenaged boys to use just around the house during the hot summer months so they can stay hydrated. They have filled them with ice and water during the day, and have had the cold water, even ice, last through the next morning. It is leak-proof with the lid shut properly and drink tab secured. It also came with long, black reusable straws, thicker, softer plastic feel than disposable straws, but I opted for them to not use it as it would be hard for them to properly wash them. Haven't used them for hot beverages, but I have no doubt these will work just as advertised since we've tested out the cold side.